Hey guys, just a little tip I have for you now. If your joystick is moving up, down, left, right erratically, and you have no idea how to fix it, just turn the board over and just with a small flathead screwdriver, try to remove any kind of gunk or excess solder that is in this pin, in these pins I am pointing at. This is for up and down axis, and these ones are for left and right. And after I did that, I actually fixed a lot of stuff. It now moves perfectly up, down, left, right. And well, that's it. Goodbye.